What excites me about my program of study is I love to work with computers, and I love the problem-solving aspect. It's not just, oh, we need this computer program to do this specific task. It's more, here's this issue that we have. What's solutions to fix it?
At LWTech, students can pursue either an associate's degree or a bachelor's degree in computing and software development, or pursue shorter certificates in IT support technician, web application, or web development.
If I knew someone that was considering attending Running Start here, I would tell them that it's far more efficient use of your time and that you'll get a lot more out of it than doing high school. It's also very cheap in comparison. I'm really excited to actually start my classes rather than just completing my high school credits and my general requirements. If you do Running Start, it's free, so you might as well do it.